right, y'all, here we go. We got the grills going at 350. They ready to go. Remember yesterday, if y'all watched part one, we got mustard ribs rubbed and we got slap your mama ribs rubbed. We're gonna see which one is the best. This grill here is at 350, ready to go. We're gonna put the mustard ribs. Ooh-wee. We're gonna put the 3 slabs. Right here, y'all. Right there. That's them. Then this grill, this is Papa Bear grill right here. Papa Bear grill going with the slap your mama. Slap your mama. Ready at 350. We're gonna put ours. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at that spare rib there, y'all. Wait till that come out of there. We're gonna let this cook for a half hour on each side, and we're gonna find out if the ribs and mustard or just the ribs and slap your mama with the special sauce and seasoning, and see which ones. I think it's gonna be a tie though. It's gonna be a tie. They both gonna be good. But we just wanna see what we gonna do this year. First barbecue, y'all. First barbecue. Man, the weather's nice. I can't believe how the weather is. Just got off work, got the grill going. Part 2 of the video. We're gonna shut it down, slow it down, shut it down, and we're gonna sit back, smoke a cigar, drink some here, cut some music on, and watch the magic work, y'all. We're gonna see what happens, y'all. We be back in a half hour on the flip. Subscribe, like, comment. It's a beautiful day in April. Beautiful day out today, y'all, for a first barbecue of 2025. Going down. Peace. We out of here. All right, y'all. Been a half hour. We still rolling at about 300. We gonna flip them. Ooh. Y'all smell? Oh, that smells so good. Y'all smell that? I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. Y'all smell that, y'all? Let's flip it and see what happens, y'all. Oh, look at it. Oh, yeah. When you flip, you rotate, y'all. Rotate the front to the back. Ooh, look at this. That means they cooking. Look, y'all, they cooking. Ooh, look at, don't burn my head. Don't burn my head. Oh, them cooking. I smell mustard. Okay. Rob, where Rob at? He at work. My son be here in a minute. And my other son will probably be here too, but oh yeah. Okay, he's smelling pretty good. He's smelling pretty good. All right, let's go to Papa Bear now. Let's go to Papa Bear. Ooh, we cooking at about 300, y'all. We got 275. Look, come here, let's show them, baby. We cooking them slow cooking. 275, 285, baby, almost 300 degrees. We cooking them slow. We ain't gonna burn them. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Let's turn big boy first. Ooh, grease. Ooh, ooh. Y'all see that there? Ooh, watch out now, y'all. Ooh, look at that. All right, we got to flip them, y'all. All right, what we finna do now, we rotate. We're gonna take this one. Ooh, put it here. Put that one back there. Take this one here. Put that one there. Oh yeah, y'all. You gotta rotate, y'all. One side is cooking slow and one side is cooking, so I rotate them to make them right. Pretty soon this foil gonna come off, so it don't matter how I buckle up. And it's gonna come off in another half hour. And then we're gonna let the meat do what it do. But everything is good. Y'all see the smoke cooking? We slow cooking, y'all. And the key to slow cooking, I see my buddy cook one time. He took a whole bag of charcoal and he put it in his grill. He wondered why it was so hot. Dude, just put a quarter. You ain't got, the coals will burn. You put too many coals in there, then your fire be too hot. You can always add coals when you flip and this and that. So what I do is I put a little coals in there and let them slow cook. That's why the ribs be good, y'all. Slap your mama. I smell it. I smell it. All right, y'all. All right. We're going to put it down. We're going to leave it open, let it cook. Y'all see the smoke. First barbecue going down, y'all. Got the gloves. Come from work. The sun is shining. And it's on and popping. Subscribe, like, and comment, and hang in here with me, y'all. I'm waiting to see what y'all gonna see. We'll see how this turn out. Peace. We be back soon. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Yeah. All right, y'all. Papa Bear going first. This meat over here cooking good. Woo, look at that smoke. We finna take him out, y'all. Let's see what happens. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Woo. Look at that, let me tell y'all. Woo. Woo. Look at that there, y'all. I'm gonna sit them up here for a minute because they falling off the bone. Woo. Uh-oh. Woo. Look at that baby there, y'all. Woo. Oh, God.
Ooh, shit.
That's a 5. Look at that, y'all. We're gonna sit these up here. Ooh-wee. Woo, look at them, y'all. Look at them. We're gonna close him up. Let that fire die. Hold on, y'all. Might have to hit him for a minute. Too much fire there. All right, we'll smother him out. Cooking, y'all. Y'all see them? Whew. I think I'm missing my lashes. Whew. Let's see what this one's doing. Whew. Let's take these out. Whew. Oh, yeah. Woo-wee. Look at them, y'all. That's that mustard here, y'all. Woo-wee. Woo. Oh, look at them suckers. Look at them ribs there, y'all. Ooh, we're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let them marinate now. They nice and tender. Now we're gonna cook them till they get crispy. And we're gonna go get some sauce. We're gonna dash them with some sauce. We're gonna let them cook for about another 30 minutes in this. We gotta close it up, y'all. That fire going. This fire over here getting hot. Ooh, yes. Look how they drying out, y'all. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Look at that there. Look at that there. Ooh, look at that there. We're gonna sit them up top for a minute. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna let them marinate, y'all. Ooh. Y'all see this? I'm finna go get some sauce and start putting some sauce on them and let them cook all the way through. And we're gonna let y'all see what happened in a bit. I don't know where my boy at, but he gonna miss. I'm gonna put his sauce on his, put my sauce on behind, and we still battling, y'all. We battling the fire. I'm in the trenches, y'all. I'm in the trenches, but we going down. Look, whoo, the smoke. I'm out here in the trenches, y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend, and we be back in a minute. Going down with the barbecue 2025. We out of here. We're going to get some sauce, y'all. I'll be right back. We're going to sauce these up here. These suckers right here, boy. Be back in a minute. Hold on. All right, y'all. putting these in the trenches, y'all. Ooh-wee. Oh, yes. Look at that there, y'all. Ooh-wee. That's my slow side right here. Look at him falling apart. Look at that, y'all. Look at that there, y'all. Ooh-wee. Look at that meat there. Look at that meat there, y'all. Ooh-wee. All right. Coming over here. Look at that meat. Ooh-wee. Boy, look at that there, y'all. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that meat there. Yes, yes. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Let me show y'all something. Look at it. Woo! Hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Look here. Mm. Man, that's good. Mm. Boy, y'all just don't know. One last look. Look at it here, y'all. Look at that. Look at that bone. Ooh, I can pull it off. We're gonna let it cook, y'all. We're gonna let it marinate for about 10, 15 more minutes. I gotta go get a pan. I gotta go get a pan, y'all. This shit good. It's ready. Ready like Freddy. Rock real steady. All right, y'all. We be back in a minute. I gotta go get a pan. I'm gonna have to get this out of here real soon. And we're gonna see what it look like, y'all. Peace. Going down. Barbecue in 2025. Ha ha. Peace. Ha ha. All right, y'all. Woo-wee. Look at here. Look at that, y'all. It broke off on me. Look at that rib there, boy. Let's see if we can get this home. Look at that sucker there, boy. Let's see what this do. Look at that, y'all. Look at here. Look at here. Let's see if I can get this one up. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, wee. Look at them ribs, y'all. Look at that sauce. Look at the crispiness on that sucker. Ooh, wee. All right. Let's get this mustard off of here. Ooh, look at these. Look at that, y'all. Oh, I don't know if I can get it without falling. Look at that sucker there, y'all. Let me see if I can flip this up. I want y'all to see. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there, boy. Look at that thing. I want to show y'all something. I just cut it. I just cut it with that. Look at me, y'all. This is barbecuing 101. You hear me, y'all? 101. It ain't right if you don't get in it with your food. Look at that. Melt in your mouth. I gotta show y'all, man. Look at that meal. Look at it. You know what, y'all? Let me tell you something. That's the rib. That's the barbecue. With, the mustard. Them the mustard ones. Ooh, they good. They're good. But you know what? Let's see here. Look at that. That slap your mama. That slap your mama there. Oh my God. You know what, y'all? Woo. Bring tears to my eyes. I think I'm finna cry already. We're gonna call it a tie, y'all. Hey, you know what? We just wanted to do this. First barbecue. I guess my sons, them still at work. They had to work today. They didn't make it. I started early because I didn't want to be out here all night. Look at the pie. Papa Bear. Papa Bear. Papa Bear barbecue. Look at that, y'all. And my son's mustard. Look at that. They both turned out great, y'all. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Comment. Tell a friend. Hit the notification button for the next one. We out of here, y'all. Ain't nothing else to say. Going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with the first barbecue of 2025. Peace. We out of here. Hold on. And the hen, y'all. And the hen. We out of here. Peace.